has been made by a BJP Neta who seems to be claiming attack on Arjun Singh, where he says that bombs were hurled outside his house and around 50 to 60 people were present. The BJP leader claimed inaction by the police. This is a breaking update that we are getting from North 24 Parganas, where in West Bengal, where BJP leader Arjun Singh has made a big claim saying that there was an attack outside his residence and around 50 to 60 people were present. He says that I don't understand what's happening. And there was previously an occasion where another team of his was attacked, where bombs were thrown and he got injured. And today he claims that around 10:20 p.m. or last night, he heard gunfire. But by the time they came out to inspect, there were around 50 to 60 people already at the location, including the police. And when we got back, we saw that 2 bombs had been thrown at my house. This is what is now being claimed by the BJP leader. Ritik is with us right now. Ritik, this is a big claim by Arjun Singh. He's been claiming that bombs were thrown at his residence. Who's behind it, and what about police action?
Well, what we do understand that Arjun Singh is not the first time. It's been quite a long time that he is at the center of a storm, and time and again he's been attacked. Another instance that what we are given to understand that as per the Arjun Singh's claim goes that his house was under attack last night, and even he also went on alleging that bombs were hurled in at his residence, which comes under North 24 Parganas Jagodal police station. We are also given to understand that police rushed, but police investigations are underway. So what we do understand, but let me also bring you the political aspect of that area. We know that having a very tu-tu-me-me condition with the Arjun Singh and the other faction of the rivalry.
So matter is under investigation, as he's been pointing fingers at the police and its alleged inaction over this incident. For the moment, Ritik, thank you very much for joining in. Let's